Good morning. Today I wanted to talk about cake in a cup. What's cake in a cup? It's any kind of delicious drink you can get at any coffee shop that has as many calories and sugar grams as in a piece of cake. I have so many ideas for what you can do at home that will make it easily as delicious, if not more, than cake in a cup. It's going to be cheaper and it's going to be better for you. Now, my favorite thing I do every day is after I work out, I have a salted caramel hot cocoa. True. I love Primal Kitchen collagen. I'm losing collagen as I get older, we all are. I have a scoop of this dark chocolate cocoa, literally a couple salt shakes, and a smidge of this Walden Farms caramel sauce. Put it in my blender with hot water, and it is amazingly delicious. Now, if you have high blood pressure, please don't put the salt in. Mine is super low, so I put probably like 6 or 7 shakes in. Delish. You can do the same thing with chocolate protein powder. If you don't want the collagen one, with a scoop of baking cocoa, salt, and the caramel. For your pumpkin spice latte that's coming up, because it's almost September, I would use canned pumpkin, a little bit, like a tablespoon or two, vanilla protein powder, some cinnamon, hot coffee in your blender, blend it up, and it is beyond delicious. Any questions, please feel free to message me, direct message me on Instagram. My email is pam@theperfectbalance.guru. On Facebook, I am Pam Sherman, Perfect Balance Guru. Happy to answer any questions, but I'm telling you, the homemade stuff is the very best. It only takes maybe a minute, and you gotta wash out the blender, but it is so worth it. Have an amazing day.